Welcome back to Crypto Airdrop. Today, I'll guide you through creating a video script that demonstrates how to automatically mine the Blum Airdrop. This method can help you manage 1.000 accounts with ease. You need to follow each step in this video to ensure you don't miss anything. This is the result you will achieve after following the steps I'm about to share below. Pretty amazing, right? Hello, everyone. Welcome to the tutorial video on how to automatically play the Blum minigame. In this video, we will learn how to set up and automate the game, saving you time and making it easier to play. Blum is a highly promising airdrop project that has received investment and support from many large funds. I've introduced it in a different video. You can find the link included in this video. It would be a shame if you missed out on this airdrop project. If you're wondering how to maximize the number of Blum tokens you can earn, this video is for you. It will automate all the tasks you would normally have to do. First, go to the Apps section. Then click on Create App to create a new app. This will open a window where you can write your code. The functions are designed as modules, allowing you to drag and drop them easily. Let's get started. First, we take the New tab card. In the URL field, paste the Blum link. Click the Run button to test if it works correctly. Great, the script works fine. Next, we take the element exists element to check for the appearance of Launch Blum. Select the text attribute and enter Launch Blum in the selector field. Once the existence of Launch Blum is verified, use the click element to access the minigame. Set button to left. Select by to selector and selector type to path. For the Launch Blum button, right-click and choose Inspect to get this path of the element. We need to wait for the minigame window to appear. Use the sleep element. And choose the random option. Set the time to around 5 to 10 seconds. Use the switch frame element to switch to the minigame window. This is how we get the iframes path. Next, we'll check how many tickets you have. Use the get text element to capture this value. We need this path for the ticket. Create a variable named ticket to store this value. Let's test if we can retrieve the ticket value. There's an error here, so let's check it again. We need to adjust the time parameter in the new tab element. Test it again. There's an error switching to the iframe. We need to recheck this path for launch Blum. We still haven't retrieved the ticket value, so let's check again. Oh no, we haven't connected the GT text element. Okay, now let's test again. Okay, we've got the ticket value. Now we need to check if the number of tickets is greater than 0 before proceeding. Use the if element to perform this check, and enter the parameters as I'm doing here. After the check, we will click play to start the game. Use the click element and get this path for the play button. Next, take the JavaScript element to run the automatic game playing code for Blum. Paste the code here. I'll share this code in the Telegram group, so please join the group to receive it. Now, let's test it. It's running perfectly. And that's it. We've successfully set up and written a script to automate Blum. This will make the project easier for you, reduce manual actions, and help you focus on maximizing your profits from Blum tokens. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on future useful tutorials. Wishing you success and plenty of profits from this project.